Nice ambience. This resort is located on Main Road, with lush green environment. This one has a huge swimming pool with a man-made waterfall type construct. Inside the waterfall, there is a cave where you can enjoy drinks. Food was also good and morning buffet is delicious. Awesome experience buffet stay, everything was the best. Must visit beautiful stay. Amazing stay, no doubt you can go for this resort and you'll for sure enjoy your stay. Very nice. It is a very nice resort with amazing teams. Rooms are nice. There are many activities available for the complete family. The food is also very good. Fantastic resort. One should choose this resort for stay while visiting Ranthambore. Awesome experience, awesome property, well maintained. Awesome experience, awesome property, full peace, no noise in surroundings, staff and services are good. All good, but please increase your pool timings with more lights, closed by 7 p.m. and also starts late at 9 a.m. It should be closed late and starts early in morning. Best all-time fave. Exceptional. The rooms were clean and comfortable, and the staff was amazing. Food was good but little expensive. I highly recommend this hotel for anyone visit this place. Excellent place, great staff, food is delicious and staff very helping and cooperative, made stay comfortable and fun. Exceptional, everything was beautiful and amazing. All best service, best location, prime property, very beautiful place. Great property, good location and well maintained. Great service, food average. Awesome food and good location. Nice big property. Food is awesome. Would suggest to take breakfast and dinner in hotel itself. There are no local restaurants nearby, so plan accordingly. Canter comes pick up from hotel. The HV big pool and games area. Loved it. Value for money, very nice place to stay. Location, cleanliness, everything is good. Exceptional, staff is very good. Exceptional, best. Great set of activities, love the time with my family.